Hi, this is Cheryl Goodlive, and I am your instructor this semester for crisis intervention and brief counseling techniques. I'd like to show you a little bit about how to navigate the course this semester. The first thing I want you to see is that I do have my contact information on the home page for your class. So you can reach me either through the office hours or by appointment, and my phone numbers are there as well. The next thing I'd like to show you is the content of the course and how it is organized. So right now I have an example up here for week 6. Each of the modules is organized by week, and there's 3 sections to each module. There's a section for content, which will include information about the week's assignment, information about what you're to read for the week, and then any PowerPoints or videos that I want you to have as well. There's also assignments listed. So this week, right now, we have a discussion topic, and I'll show you how to find the discussion topics in just a second. This module also has links to different information that will help you learn more about the topic for the week. Most of the modules also have videos that are attached to the module, either videos I have made or videos from YouTube or other sources. There is a discussion most of the weeks of the course, so for the first 12 weeks, you'll want to make sure you're participating in the discussion board. And you can find that by clicking on Discussions at the top of the navigation bar. So you'll see the different weekly discussions come up. So for example, the first week, the discussion is an introductory one, for a chance for you to tell your classmates about yourself and also why you're taking the course. And then each week you are expected to provide a thoughtful response to at least 2 other students. Remember, you need to post yourself before responding to other students. Going back to the navigation bar, you'll find a Dropbox for all the different assignments. I also have the Dropbox listed under the content pages, so you can get there several different ways. And you can see from the Dropbox the different things that are available to you to look at right now. There will be more assignments that you can see that will not necessarily open up until later in the course. There's also information there to look at your grades. Of course, there aren't any grades in yet, but eventually you'll be able to start following the grade book and see how you're doing in the class. And then again, coming back home to the home page for the course, that's where you'll see any news informations. If you need to refresh yourself on my contact information, there's also a calendar to keep track of different assignments, and it'll be a good prompt for you to make sure that you are keeping track of what's going on in the course. I look forward to getting to know you this semester and seeing a lot of your discussion posts and your assignments. I hope you'll feel free to contact me with any questions that you may have.